Hey everyone, welcome back. Imagine buying a property only to find out later that it's embroiled in a legal battle. Could your rights be affected? Today, we'll decode Section 52 of the Transfer of Property Act, known as the doctrine of Lis Pendens. We'll break it down with recent case laws, practical examples, and essential tips for buyers. Stay tuned to know how you can protect your property rights. Before diving deep into the legal nitty-gritty, let's simplify the concept. Section 52 of the Transfer of Property Act deals with the principle of lis pendens, a Latin term meaning pending litigation. In simple terms, it means that when a property is involved in a lawsuit, no one can legally transfer or alter the ownership of that property during the legal proceedings. For example, let's say there's a dispute over a piece of land. While the court case is ongoing, if any one party tries to sell or mortgage the land, Section 52 will prevent this transaction. Why? Because the legal rights over that property are still in question and any transfer could mislead future buyers. The idea behind this provision is simple. Avoid conflicts and protect the interests of people involved in litigation. It prevents third parties from stepping into an ongoing dispute and preserves the original claim until the court gives its final verdict. Let's quickly summarize some key elements. First, legal proceedings requirement. The property must be the subject of an ongoing court case. 2. Involvement of all parties. Any sale, lease or mortgage without notifying the court could be invalidated. 3. Judicial protection. This section protects the original interest in the property while litigation is pending. 4. Application in real life cases. Courts have used this provision to invalidate property transfers in the midst of legal disputes, reinforcing its importance. Now, let's dive deeper into the latest interpretations by Supreme Court and High Courts in India. In one of the most significant recent cases, Sanjay Verma versus Manik Roy, the Supreme Court clarified that even if a third-party purchaser bought the property in good faith during an ongoing case, they cannot claim ownership. The court stated that once a transaction is hit by lis pendens, no defense of good faith or bona fide arises. This judgment shows that the courts strictly adhere to Section 52's purpose, which is to protect the property's legal status until litigation concludes. So, buyers need to double check for any pending disputes before purchasing. Another interesting case is Shyam Sundar Prasad versus Rajendra Singh. It involved a property where one party transferred the land to a third party during an ongoing litigation. The Supreme Court held that the transfer was invalid under Section 52 as the purchaser was aware of the legal dispute. This case reiterates that not only the seller but even buyers must be cautious, as the presence of a lawsuit impacts their right to acquire the property. Now, here's a fun fact. Did you know the doctrine of lis pendens originated from the Roman law? And this principle exists in many legal systems worldwide. So, what should you do if you find yourself in a similar situation? First, check property status. Always verify with the local registrar or court records to ensure the property isn't part of a legal dispute. 2. Seek legal advice. Consult a lawyer if you discover any disputes or pending litigation. 3. Get written guarantees. Ask for written confirmations from the seller regarding the absence of any litigation. 4. Conduct title verification. Ensure the title is clean and has no issues before proceeding with the transactions. These steps might save you from costly legal battles down the road. Remember, the law is here to protect you, but due diligence is key. In recent judicial commentary, several judges have highlighted the significance of Section 52 in a rapidly growing real estate market. For instance, Justice A.K. Sikri commented, "The doctrine of Lis Pendens is the backbone of property transactions, ensuring fair play amidst litigation." Recent updates suggest stricter implementation by lower courts to ensure that no unlawful transfer occurs while cases are pending. This trend is especially relevant in metropolitan areas where property prices are high and legal disputes are common. To sum up, here are the key takeaways from today's discussion. First, Section 52 prevents property transfers during legal disputes. 2. Doctrine of Lis Pendens protects the rights of parties in an ongoing lawsuit. 3. Case laws reinforce that any transfers during litigation are invalid. 4. Protect your rights by verifying property details, consulting legal experts, and ensuring due diligence. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on legal topics in India. Have any questions or need clarity on another law? Drop them in the comments below and we love to cover them in future videos. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, stay legally aware and be protected. Take care and bye-bye.